Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm always surprised by how popular the videos are on YouTube of unboxing. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. So let's open this up and see if it's two troll banks or car parts or something I didn't order. We ordered a damn troll bank, this one right here, a few weeks ago and got it for a really good deal. And it came and it had money inside, so I'm 5 cents up, but actually a little bit more than 5 cents up because those are old pennies. One is a 1940 and I think the newest one is a 1960 something. And those are worth more than a penny each, but when you hold them in your hand, you can really feel the weight of what money used to weigh, which is interesting to me. But we're going to do a video on how to get the money out of these old damn banks, because if you pull their head off, you kind of ruin the troll. I like to keep the trolls in as good a shape as I can with the original clothing and hair. Now you can see this hair is kind of a mess, but she's from 1961. I think she looks pretty good. I'm leaving her be for right now. However, one of these, I'll be darned, it's the banks. One of these, when I saw it online, I thought, okay, when I open that up, I'm going to give it to my husband and have him take it outside and cut the clothes off and pull the hair out, because if I look at it too long, I'll say, oh, she's not too bad, but she is. Uh-oh. Could it be coins inside? You'll have to come back and see that video. But you can see she's a cute little pirate. And then we've got the other one, who is... oh, he's not too bad, and they don't stink at all, and honestly they're not even that dirty, so I'm pretty pleased. But my husband better get this out pretty quick, because I'll be thinking, you know, I could clean that up and we'll just see. Thank you.